Sometimes I am talking about the brain drain about our country. We can offer some good perks too to the engineers or the doctors or the real smart people who want to stay here. Like, the main horrible things to live in our country is daily line. If we can cut that line short and save daily hurdle to the life of this scientist, that can be the big perks for them. Like, what USA is doing is that offering them the fast track citizenship, and also like kind of package for their family, that their wife and children can come to. Sometimes maybe they offer the brother, sister too, or the parents too. I don't know how far they go, but they can go wherever they want to go. They can like offer anybody anything. We don't know much the deep of that. Like the same way they can offer to any politician, maybe to like give citizenship to themselves or their family members or that. So we don't know. I think what we can offer in India is that, like, when this scientist and our real brain want to stay in India, we can cut their line and join them along with the diplomats. So like they don't have a hard time on the airport. Like we can give them priority in a reservation, in a train, and in a aeroplane. Like diplomats or like a politician, we can give them the security according to high level, and the clearance that way high level. So I think that's a very good perks, and that can give them good reasons to stay in India. And I think we should think about that one, and we should fight back that way our brain drain. Because I always think, like, some people say other day that my brother was very, very smart in the physics, and then he moved to the MIT, and it really feels so bad, like listening that. It's like, it's just our country's brain drain. But sometimes you cannot blame that people, because like our country has horrible way to keep. Because I know that, like, I initially go to India by thinking that maybe I'll stay there like 3-4 years and make the money and come back once I make the money. But every time then after I come back to India by thinking that let me set up something and then come back with my family. But I come here and I stay here 3-4 weeks, and I got tired of myself. Like, what the hell, let me get out from here. I don't want to stay here anymore. So it is horrible to stay here once you get used to with that country, and then everything is keep comparison. So it is very horrible. It is not easy. So I think India should think by giving perks, other perks also besides what I says. Also they can think and give it to them, and like some kind of the benefits like IAS officers or the high ranking officers that getting in a government here. So we should think like that. Jai Hind.